Hey guys, it's me Sam here today with another video, and today we are going to talk about the new Colourpop Avatar The Last Airbender palette. I'm really excited and can't wait for you guys to see how I created this look. If you're interested, please continue watching. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sam. I am a makeup enthusiast. Makeup is my therapy, and if you feel the same way, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can come back and see more content with me. All right, the palette retails for $22 and it comes in this beautiful sleeve, which I much prefer over the cardstock cardboard packaging that they usually put. The cardstock packaging is beautiful, but I always feel tempted to keep it, but it doesn't quite fit in the drawer. With the sleeve, I'm able to keep both the palette and the outside component together, which is going to be really nice. This is what the palette looks like itself, and here inside we have 12 shades. As you can tell, each row is dedicated to a different element. We have the Water Tribe in the top, we have the Earth Kingdom in the second row, Fire Nation is the third row, and then the Air Temple is the last row. The colors are cohesive with the elements on the TV show, which was quite cute. I personally picked up this palette because it reminds me so very much of my daughter. She's obsessed with the Avatar. I have watched the show with her, but she is the real enthusiast behind this, and I like to pick up collections that do remind me of my children just because I'm sentimental like that. I don't know what you guys, tell me what you guys think of the big hair. I kind of love it, but I know once I walk out and my husband sees it, he's gonna be like, what happened to you? I also picked up the little compact mirror for my purse, and one of the highlighters in Got Glow. There was a ridiculous amount of products as per usual with Colourpop. With this collection, there were lip liners, there were glosses, there was lip masks, there was so many products, but these are the ones that intrigued me the most. I didn't feel the need to have everything. As you guys know, I buy everything myself. I also don't need to be spending that kind of money on there. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this eye look, continue watching. So the first shade that I go into is Ice Shield. It is the matte blue shade, and I'm just gonna go over my crease with this shade and just blend it out. I'm not going to bring it all the way down because I'm going to create a halo look with this palette. The pigment is great and it blends out very nicely. The next shade we're going to go in with is Earth Rumble. This is a really beautiful forest green shade. I was quite happy how this applied, and it blended in nicely with Ice Shield. This is the good Colourpop quality shadow that we know and love. The next shade I'm going to go into is Quicksand. It's the shimmer shade for the earth section of the palette. It is a beautiful traditional gold, but it's not too bright, not too much yellow. It's really, really beautiful, and I'm going to put that right in the center to create the halo effect. The next shade I'm going to go into with the inner corner is Air Blast, and this is just a soft champagne that leans a little bit more gold. It's very satiny and doesn't have a lot of metallicness to it, but it is still quite beautiful. All right guys, you saw how I created this look, and I have to say this palette is definitely the good Colourpop quality. I was really quite happy with how the mattes blended into each other, how the shimmers applied. There was nothing out of the ordinary or difficult or unexpected with the application of this palette. As for the highlighter, it is actually probably my favorite new Colourpop highlighter because the color is so complementary to my skin. It's gold with a bit of peach in there, and I think the effect was really beautiful on the skin and just created a gorgeous glow to the skin. It's pretty expected for me because, to be honest, the Colourpop Super Shock highlighter formula is one of my absolute favorite highlighter formulas out there. So you get what you expect from here. It is not that the Super Shock formula that I do hate is the one that's in those big Soul Body pans. Those ones have way too much glitter for me. I do understand that those are for like the face and body, and maybe that's why they've done that, but these ones that come in this little container here are the better formula if you ask for my opinion. I don't know if you care, but you're here. So overall, I'm super happy. I really love it. What do you guys think of my crazy hair? I just was like feeling my naturalness, and we just went for it today. Let me know if I look like I put my finger in a light socket down below. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and spending your time with me. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.